Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about changing the ownership of files or directories. Okay. So I have one user U1. Okay. The user is U1 and it belongs to the group U1. And one group is there. If I show you, it is the group G1. Okay. One user is there U1 and one group is there G1. So let me create some directories like let's say dir1, dir12, dir13. I have to give -p. Okay. If I see now, I have one directory d1, dir1, and the owner is root and the group is root. Means this directory 1 owner is root and group is root. It is the user, it is the group. Okay. If I see inside the dir1, you can see the owner is also root and group is also root. Okay. Means the user is root and the group is root. I want to change this. Let's say I want to make user1 u1 as the owner of this directory. Okay. So if I give chown means change owner. This is the command to change the ownership. Okay. Chown. Then the username u1. Then the directory name or file name. Okay. If I see now the owner is changed to u1 instead of root. But if I see inside the directory, are the owner of the child directories are root only still now. Okay, but only the directories owner got changed to u1, but the childs are having the same owner root. So if you want to change all the child directories owner, then you can give hyphen capital R. Okay, this will this means recursive. It will change all the child directories owner to the particular user u1, then dir1. If we see u1 is the owner of this directory. If I go to dir1 and check, owner of this dir12 is also u1. If I go inside dir1, dir12, then sorry, you can see this directory's owner is also u1. Okay, so till now we just change the owner. Okay, now I want to change the group. Okay, so currently u1 is the owner of this directory. I want to make g1 as the group of this directory. Like if you mean group of the directory means the user inside the group can access the file. Okay. I told you, right? This one is the owner's permission. This one is the group permission. This one is the other's permission. If I give, if I, one is the owner, means one has the access to read, write or execute the file or directory. Okay. And if I give G1 as the group here, then all the users belong to that group G1 will be having access of read and execute. Okay, this one. So let's say I'm adding the group. So for that, chown colon group name G1. Okay. Then dir1. After the colon only you can give the group name. Okay. If you see now, the group is changed to G1 now. Owner group. But if we see the content of the directory 1 folder, dir1, you can see still the owner group is root now. Root. Okay. Same as uh, changing the owner. We can also change the group recursively using the hyphen r flag colon g1 dir1, sorry, chown hyphen r colon g1 dir1. After the colon you can give the group name. If you see now, g1 is the owner group of dir1. If I Go and check inside dir1. G1 is the owner group of dir1 2. Again, if I go to dir1 2 and check, G1 is the owner group of dir1 3. Okay, fine. So what if I want to change both owner and group in a particular in a single command? So for that, let's say I am creating one more user. Add user u2 and one group. Okay. So now I have the u1 and g1 are the owner and the owner group of the directory. I want to change u2 and g2. So chown hyphen r. I want to make it recursive. Okay, I want to change the owner on and group owner of all the child directories. Then u1 first is user, so u2, then g2. That's why we are giving colon. Okay, means if you don't give colon, it will take g2 as one user, and there is no user called g2, so it will give error. So u2 and colon g2 means I want to change the owner as u2 and group as g2, then the dir1. If you see now, the owner is u2, group owner is g2, then you can see ls hyphen l dir1. So the child directory also changed, means the owner and group are changed. So yeah, guys, this is about changing the ownership of the files or directories. So thank you for watching.